Question number 1, first part. Check these two equations. These are not linear equations. Why? The variables are in denominators of the equations. That's why we can tell that these are not linear equations. First of all, I want to reduce them into linear equation form. Then by any one method we can solve these equations. For that, what I am going to do? Let us see. 1 upon x I have taken as u. Let any one name you can give. 1 upon x is equal to u I have taken. Like that, 1 upon y. In both the equations it is given like that. So 1 upon y I have taken as v. Reduce this equation now. 1 upon 2 as it is will be there. 1 upon x what I have taken as u. Like 1 by 3. 1 upon y I have taken as v equal to 2. Then denominators are different. That's why I want to take the LCM here. So do that. 1 into 3, 3u plus 1 into 2, 2v upon 6, multiply the denominators, equal to 2. Divided by 6 goes that side, multiply by 6. So 3u plus 2v which is equal to 12. That is equation number 1. Go for next one, next equation. 1 upon x I have taken as what? U. So 1 by 3u plus 1 by 2v equal to 13 by 6. Denominators are different, so you have to take the LCM. So 2u plus 3v upon 6 equal to 13 by 6. Both the sides 6 are in denominator, so you can cancel out. So 2u plus 3v which is equal to 13. This is equation number 2. By any one method we can find out the solutions for this equation. 3u plus 2v which is equal to 12, that is first equation. Now you check that coefficient of u variable, both are not equal. So I want to make it equal first of all by multiply by any value. Let us see. Second equation multiplied by 3. 3 into 2 that is 6u. 3 into 3 9v which is equal to 13 into 3 that is 39. Equation number 3. Then first equation which is multiplied by 2. Then 3 into 2 that is 6u. This is 4v which is equal to 24. This is equation number 4 I mark. Now you check this equation number 3 and equation number 4. Coefficient of u will be same in both the equations. So we can cancel out by subtracting these two equations, that is third equation minus fourth equation. So I have to change the sign in equation number 4. Plus u minus 6u is cancelled. Now you check it here, 9 minus 4 that is 5v which is equal to 15. So v equal to 3. V equal to 3. Put v equal to 3 in any one equation, you will get the u value also. I am keeping in first equation. Put v equal to 3 in equation number 1. So that 3u plus 6 equal to 12. How 6 came? 2 into 3 that is 6 equal to 12. 3u which is equal to plus 6 comes as that minus 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. Then u value is what? 2 came. Now I don't want u and v value. I need x and y value. Why solve these equations means I have to find out x and y value. So what you have taken as u? U is I have taken as 1 upon x. So 1 upon x is equal to 2. Then x is equal to what will come? 1 by 2. When you exchange this one, you will get x equal to 1 by 2. Then you got v equal to 3. V what you have assigned? 1 by y which is equal to 3. Then y equal to 1 by 3. So my answers are x equal to 1 by 2, y equal to 1 by 3. Question number 1, second part. 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y equal to 2. 4 by root x minus 9 by root y equal to minus 1. The same way the variables are in the denominator. So I want to reduce these equation into linear equation first of all. Then by any one method we can get the answer. So I am taking as both the equations. What is there? 1 upon root x. So let 1 upon root x is equal to u I have taken. Like 1 by root y which is equal to v I have taken. Look here, see. Then put that 2u plus 3v which is equal to 2. This is equation number 1 I mark. Then go for this one. 4 into 1 upon root x, that what you have taken as u. So 4u minus 9v which is equal to minus 1. This is equation number 2. Check that the coefficient of u and v both are equal or not. If they are not equal, by multiply some value we have to make it equal. So check it now. 2, here 4. So I want to multiply the first equation into 2. I will get 4 here. Here also 4 is there, so we can cancel out. So equation number 1 is multiplied by 2. 2 into 2, that is 4u, plus 2 into 3, that is 6v which is equal to 4. This is equation number 3. Go for that is 4u minus 9v which is equal to minus 9. This is equation number 2. Now check that coefficient of u in both the equation. Both are equal, so we can eliminate them. So third equation minus second equation. You have to change the sign in second equation. So plus changes into minus, minus changes into plus, minus changes into plus. Plus 4u minus 4u is cancelled. 6 plus 9, that is 15v which is equal to 5. Then v equal to what? 1 by 3. Put that v value in any one equation. Put v equal to 1 by 3 in equation number 1. I am keeping 2u plus 3 into 1 by 3 which is equal to 2. Multiply by 3 divided by 3 is cancelled. So 2u plus 1 goes outside, minus 1. 2 minus 1 is what? 1. Then u equal to 1 by 2 came. Put that u value. Here u value is 1 by 2, v value is 1 by 3. I need x and y value in these equations. So what you have assigned for u? U equal to, I have taken as 1 upon root x equal to 1 by 2. Square on both the sides so that the root is cancelled. Square up. 1 upon root x the whole square is simple x is equal to 1 by 2 square up, you will get 1 by 4. So x is equal to what? 4 came. See why? Numerators 1, here also 1. Denominator is x here and here what is the denominator? 4. So x is equal to directly 4 we can write. V, what you have assigned as 1 by root y which is equal to 1 by 3. Square on both sides again so that root is cancelled. 1 upon y which is equal to 1 by 9. So y equal to 9. X is equal to 4, y equal to 9. That is your answer. Question number 1, third part. See, check these equations. In the denominator, the variable is given here, here x and here also x in denominator. That's why these are not a linear equation. By reducing this equation, I want to make it linear equation first of all. Then by elimination method, we can get x and y value. Let us see. I am going to take, let 1 by x is equal to u. Here 1 upon y is not given, so leave it y as it is. 1 upon x I have taken as u. So 4u here, 1 upon x, that is u I have taken. So 4u plus 3y equal to 14. This is equation number 1. Go for this one. 3u minus 4y which is equal to 23. This is equation number 2. Check both the equation. Coefficient of u. Both are not equal. So I want to multiply with some values so that make the coefficient of u equal. This equation, first equation is multiplied by 3. You will get 12 here. The same way the second equation multiplied by 4. You will get 12 here. So the first equation is multiplied by 3. 3 into 4, 12. U plus 3 into 3, 9y which is equal to 14 into 3, that is 42, equation number 3. Second equation is multiplied by 4. 4 into 3, 12, and 4 into 4 minus 16y, which is equal to 92. This is equation number 4. See, here also 12, here also 12. So we can eliminate this y variable by subtracting these equations. Equation number 3 minus equation number 4. So I have to change the sign in equation number 4 only, because minus 4 is there. So plus sign changes into minus, minus sign changes into plus, minus, plus changes into minus. Plus 12 minus 12 u is cancelled. Here both are positive, so add them, 25y, which is equal to minus 50. Then y equal to minus 2 came. Y equal to minus 2. I got the y value. Now put that y value in any one equation, you will get the u value. Put y equal to minus 2 in equation number 1. So that 4u plus 3 into y value is minus 2, which is equal to 14. 4u minus 6 equal to 14. Minus 6 goes outside, plus 6, so you will get 20 here. 4u equal to 20 and u equal to what came? 5. So u equal to 5. I need the x value and y value in the equation. Y value already I have. X value, how can you find out? What you have assumed? U equal to 1 upon x. So u value equal to 1 upon x equal to 5. Then x is equal to what will come? Exchange this one. X is equal to 1 by 5. These are your answers. X is equal to 1 by 5, y equal to minus 2. Question number 1, fourth part. 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 equal to 2. Like 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 equal to 1. In both the equation, the variable in denominator. That's why I want to change it into linear equation first of all by reducing them. Okay. So in both the equation, 1 upon x minus 1 here also, here also. So let it be 1 upon x minus 1 equal to u. Like 1 upon y minus 2 equal to v I have taken. Then change that equation. 5 into u plus 1 into v, that is v, equal to 2, equation number 1. Come for this one. 6u minus 3v equal to 1. This is equation number 2. See here in u variable coefficient 5 and 6. Here v variable coefficient 1 and minus 3. The first equation is multiplied by 3. I will get 3v here. Here in the second equation minus 3v. So both will be cancelled by elimination method. Let us see now. The first equation is multiplied by 3. 3 into 5, 15u plus 3v, which is equal to 6. Equation number 3 I mark. Then this is 6u minus 3v equal to 1, equal to equation number 2. Third equation plus second equation. Why I am adding these two? Already alternate signs in v variable, so that both will be eliminated. 15u plus 6u, that is 21u equal to 7. Then u equal to 1 upon 3. I will write here. U equal to 1 by 3. After getting the u value, substitute that u value in any one equation, you will get the v value also. 5 into 1 by 3 plus v equal to 2. Write it here. Put u equal to 1 by 3 in equation number 1. So that 5 into 1 by 3, that is 5 by 3 plus v equal to 2. Then v equal to plus 5 by 3 goes aside, minus 5 by 3. Take the LCM here. This is 6 minus 5 upon 3. That directly I can write it 1 by 3. You take the LCM and simplify it. V equal to 1 by 3. I need x and y value in the equation. So, what you have taken as u you have taken as 1 upon x minus 1. So, write it here. You have taken as 1 upon x minus 1 equal to 1 by 3. Then we can write that x minus 1 equal to 3. Then x is equal to what will come? 4. Then b what you have taken as 1 upon y minus 2, which is equal to 1 by 3. Equate this one, y minus 2 which is equal to 3, then y equal to what will come? 5. So your answers are x equal to 4, y equal to 5.